Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I am here with Ilya, and Ilya is 4 months old. He was born 3 months premature, and Ilya is developing a preference to look to the right. So when I work with children who have developed this preference, it's called a torticollis, then oh goodness, I want to make sure they're sensory ready for the work that needs to happen. So I would, and actually what I'm going to recommend is infant massage. And it's actually recommended for all babies, but particularly for babies who have any kind of developmental difficulty. What the research says is that if you do infant massage, that it helps with weight gain, it helps with mood and affect, that these children are have an easier time calming down, it helps them sleep longer. So infant massage once a day is a wonderful way that take time to interact with your baby to help make them know that touch is okay and that it's something that can be enjoyable and fun. So simple infant massage, you know what, it's less about the exact technique of how you do it, but the time you spend with the baby. So the exact techniques is not as important, but I like to start, across the head. Hey, yeah, hey. And I am using such gentle pressure. And you don't have to use oil or lotion. You can do that if you want. Hi. But you don't have to. I see. You can go out and around and down on the chest. Out and around and down on the chest. I see. I see. Go straight out. Straight out. And I am using very gentle pressure. Very gentle pressure. With the arms, you can pull toward you. I see. But you can also push down and we can find those fingers again. I hear it. I hear it. Let's find them. Find those fingers. There they are. And go down the arm. Down the arm. There we go. We're going to go down the arm first over here. How about? And then up. Nice. I see it. Now on the stomach, you can do circles. You want to make sure you go in the direction of digestion. So up along the right side and down along the left side. I like it. I like it, yeah. And what you did with the arms, you can do with the legs. So you can pull and you can push. Pull and you can push. Pull and you can push. There you go. Pull and push. Pull and push. You want to make sure you get the bottom of the feet. Yes. Yes. Bottom of the feet. I see you. And I didn't get the palms of the hands, but you want to make sure you get those too. Palms of the hands. I like it. You can do the similar moves on their bellies. So I'm going to roll Ilya over and see how this goes. Let's see, Ilya, let's roll over. I hear you. I know, let's go. Over we go. I see. And get movement all the way down. I see. I see. Woo-hoo. All right, here we go. Coming back. Okay. Oh, I hear. Hey. Okay. I see. So it's simple infant massage that you can do. Again, has great benefits, not just for kids who have developmental differences, but for all kids. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.